When it comes to wellness content, there's nothing hotter than ice. In this episode, we're going to take a deep dive into the trend that is all about going cold plunges, and ice baths. According to our analysis, globally, short-form video views for cold plunge and ice bath content have grown by more than 70% in the last year, with an average of over 1.2 million views per month. The science suggests that cold therapy can help reduce muscle soreness and inflammation, which could lead to faster recovery times. So let's take a closer look at some of these claims. When it comes to stress, the science suggests that cold exposure can trigger the release of adrenaline and noradrenaline, hormones that can help increase alertness and reduce stress. They're becoming increasingly popular, especially among athletes, coaches, and wellness enthusiasts. One of the most prominent figures leading the charge on cold plunges is Canadian musician and actor Justin Bieber. First, consult your doctor, especially if you have any health concerns or take medications. However, it's essential to listen to your body, start slowly, and consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating cold therapy into your routine. And hey, if you're feeling extra chilly, why not share this video with your friends and family? Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the endless wonders of knowledge. But for those who brave the chill, the potential benefits may be worth it. As the late great Maya Angelou once said, if you don't like the cold, you've got two choices: bundle up or move to Arizona. Maybe she knew something we didn't. Next, start slowly and gradually work your way up to longer durations and colder temperatures. Listen to your body and take breaks when needed. Safety first. Consider using a cold plunge with a heating and cooling system for a more comfortable and consistent experience. And don't forget to reward yourself with a warm shower or sauna session afterwards. He credits his cold plunge with helping him manage Lyme disease symptoms and improve his overall health. In fact, he's even released a line of cold plunge products called Arizona. Then there's Wim Hof, the Iceman himself, known for his extreme feats of endurance, including breaking the world record for the longest time spent in a freezing cold water bath. Hof credits his cold therapy practices with improving his health and mental well-being. He's become a leading voice in the wellness community, teaching others about the benefits of cold exposure and hosting workshops and retreats centered around his method. Other celebrities like Jake Gyllenhaal, Hugh Jackman, and Lady Gaga have also jumped on the bandwagon, incorporating cold plunges into their routines. And they're not alone. Cold plunges have become a common sight at gyms, yoga studios, and even some workplaces. Cold plunges can be made by filling a large basin or tub with cold water and adding ice cubes, or by using a cold plunge machine, which circulates cold water through a system of pipes and a pump. These machines are designed to maintain a consistent water temperature and provide a more spa-like experience. Cold plunges can help improve blood flow, reduce inflammation, and alleviate muscle soreness, making them a valuable tool for post-workout recovery. They're also believed to boost the immune system, increase energy levels, and enhance mental clarity. However, it is crucial to ensure that the water temperature is safe and that users take necessary precautions before and after using a cold plunge. While more research is needed, some studies also suggest that regular cold showers can help improve mood and increase feelings of well-being. One study published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that cold water immersion led to an increase in positive emotions and a decrease in negative ones in participants with major depressive disorder. Another study, published in the journal Clinical Psychology Review, suggests that cold water immersion may also help improve symptoms of anxiety and PTSD. This is because when you immerse yourself in cold water, your body constricts blood vessels, reducing inflammation and swelling. However, more research is needed to confirm these benefits. Now let's talk about the most common type of cold therapy, the ice bath. To make an ice bath, you simply fill a bathtub with cold water and add ice cubes until the water reaches your desired temperature. Ideally, the water should be between 50 and 60 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 to 15 degrees Celsius. The ice bath typically lasts between 10 and 15 minutes. But it is essential to listen to your body and exit the bath if you feel uncomfortable or unwell. It also triggers the release of adrenaline and other hormones that can help alleviate pain. For athletes, coaches, and trainers, this means they may be able to recover more quickly between intense training sessions or games. Some experts even recommend alternating between hot and cold immersions for optimal results. This approach is known as contrast therapy and is believed to enhance blood circulation, potentially speeding up recovery. It's important to note that while cold plunges and ice baths are popular, they are not a must-have for everyone. Many athletes train and compete without them. But what exactly sparked this widespread interest? Well, one theory is the pandemic. You know, the lockdown blues, working from home fatigue, the general malaise of the times. People were seeking ways to feel more energized and boost their immune systems. Enter cold plunges and ice baths, with purported benefits ranging from faster muscle recovery to improved focus and a better night's sleep. It's easy to see why so many are diving in. But before we go any further, please remember this video is not intended to provide medical advice. The content is for informational purposes only. Always consult with a doctor before making any changes to your routine or diet. We'll explore why people are embracing the chill, the science behind the health claims, and some of the biggest names leading the charge. So grab your ice packs and let's get to it. The data doesn't lie. There has been a huge surge in content related to cold plunges and ice baths. So, what are the real benefits of cold plunges and ice baths? Let's start with athletic recovery. But that's not all. Cold plunges and ice baths are being embraced for a variety of reasons, from stress relief to a potential boost in immunity. As for immunity, some believe that regular exposure to cold temperatures can help strengthen the immune system by increasing the number of white blood cells and antibodies in the body. Now let's discuss the cold plunge. A cold plunge is similar to an ice bath, but it's usually deeper and more like a small pool. So now that we know what cold plunges and ice baths are, let's take a look at some of the top creators in the space and how they use them in their routines. To help you get started on your own cold plunge journey, here's a quick guide to help you decide if it's right for you. Overall, cold plunges and ice baths are becoming increasingly popular for their potential health benefits, including muscle recovery, stress reduction, mood boost, and immunity. Thank you for joining us on this icy adventure. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insightful content.